Hello everybody, Jason with MarineMax Clearwater. Today we're going to give you a quick tour of the amazing 420 Outrage from Boston Whaler. You can see this boat here we have in Clearwater has quad 400 Verado L6 engine. These engines are amazing, they're extremely quiet, reliable. As you step around the boat here, those engines are connected to the ever popular joystick docking system from Mercury that gives you the autopilot, auto heading, and skyhook features. As you step into this massive cockpit, one thing this cockpit allows you to do is entertain. You can see here we've opted to equip this 420 Outrage with the summer kitchen setup. So added refrigeration, grill, storage down the middle, and of course freshwater basin. You can see here for convenience, you have a lot of switching for your shade, courtesy lights, things of that nature, so you don't always have to run to the helm. A really nice setup. Here we got a really big aft bench seat for your guest on board. Pull that out, and under that seat was our ladder for the dive door that we entered the boat on. That's a fantastic setup here, port side of the boat. Dive door mounts, nice handle here for your friends and family to get in and out of the boat with ease. Big wide door. You can see Boston Whaler's very point of use conscious. So the ladder is stowed under this bench seat. You don't have to trudge that ladder 40 feet to use it. It goes right here in the dive door. The same with our weather canvas package. Stowed in the hardtop here. We're gonna use that canvas right here around the hardtop. Typically on a cabin equipped boat, you see that canvas strewn throughout the cabin and you gotta carry it up and down. So that's a really nice feature that Whaler absolutely puts focus on. Besides the summer kitchen here, we've got some really cool engineering by the team at Boston Whaler. As you can see, our seat will flip up back. And another switch here. And now we have stacked seating facing forward that will easily fit 6 to 7. The great part about this is the guest that we put on this second row seating does have climate control. You can see 6 vents going across, so that AC shooting on you in August in Florida is, well, we all know it's pretty awesome. As you step to the helm, triple wide helm seats, 3 16-inch glass displays, a Vessel View 7, which really will act as a 4th chart plotter. It is a touchscreen unit. You can also card that. AC for the skipper and companions. You can see all of our switching here. It's very easy to realize when something's activated and when something isn't. Just an awesome, awesome setup. Here's the joystick we referenced earlier. Our throttles, steering wheel, push button start for all 4 engines. Just a really easy helm to look at. Your eyes go to where you need it to go. It's not a complicated setup. I think Boston Whaler's done a really good job at simplifying that from the beginning boater to the experienced boater. So as you step around, we'll be walking by about 16 speakers. The stereo system on this boat is amazing, and it'll really lend itself when you're up here in the bow of the boat, which is going to be probably the central focus for your guest on board when you're entertaining. 3 wide across this massive chase lounge here, and then we have a really nice bow seating up front with the actuated table. This will turn into a really big sun pad as well, and then of course the ever famous flip up backrest that Boston Whaler does in a lot of their boats. But a really easy boat to traverse, really deep gunnel walls. You ride on this boat, you don't ride I guess it's not a shallow boat is my point. You really feel secure when you're walking through this boat. So as we step back, we'll take a look at the cabin. So the cabin entrance to this is going to be on the port side of the helm. We currently have it set up in the sleeping arrangement. I think you could sleep easily 2 on this boat. We've actually opened the back wall for you, which you'll pick up another 2 feet 8 inches of leg space. Your head will probably sleep down towards the entrance of the cabin, feet pointing towards the bow, and it makes for a really comfortable setup. It's easy to deploy to get that set up as well. It was 2 switches and the swap out of the table leg here, and we were fixed up. Of course, we have the amenities we want to see in the cabin: 26-inch flat screen, microwave, freshwater basin. You got some storage for different tools, utensils, things of that nature, and then more storage below with refrigeration. You'll see a little bit of elegance here as well in our head. We actually have a rain shower in the roof. You can do some ambiance lighting with some blue lighting in here as well. But just Boston Whaler really checks all the boxes with the 420 Outrage. If you're An angler, you want to slay a lot of fish offshore, this boat will do it. If you're looking to just entertain with friends and family, it's an excellent platform for that as well. So we would love the opportunity to show it to you in more depth. If you have any questions, please feel free to give myself, Jason, a call at 509-869-8306, and we'll look forward to seeing you at MarineMax Clearwater.